once and more than enough that not only India has come on its own, we are also in many ways ahead of others. Like for example, I think the easiest example is that Americans landed a human being on the surface of the moon in 1969, way back more than 50, 60 years back. But today, it is our Chandrayaan which went to the moon and collected the evidence of the possibility of H2O water being there, which also gave rise to the researchers to explore the possibilities of human habitat. Similarly, it was our Chandrayaan 3 which was the first to land at the southern pole of moon. So in more ways than one, we have also excelled in certain fields in space technology. Moreover, India has created a global model of using space technology for non-rocket purposes. Of course, the rocket looks fascinating. It also makes news. In fact, rockets have given us space in media also. But in our smart city program, in our Gati Shakti program, which are now role models for the rest of the world, for our Swamitva program, so many of our infrastructure programs, space technology is very much into use. Also in the Survey of India now.
Who do they credit for this success? Bangladesh Prime Minister has given credit to youngsters, the youth.
Of course, the youngsters are there. There are a lot of ladies also in space, in our space department. You will be glad to know many of our projects are led by women. Like, for example, the Aditya Solar project was led by a lady. Chandrayaan 3, the number 2 director was a lady. So, that way, I think it's a beautiful culture where everybody works in harmony across the gender, across the sections of society.
LMV3 is called Bahubali. This,
of course, considering its size, that's a fancy name given to it. But nevertheless, the applications are going to be far-reaching.